नाश्ता करेंगे। Let's make a healthy lolly. We'll make yummy paneer lollies. You'll need grated paneer, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, tutti frutti, edible confetti for garnish, chopped nuts, chocolate sauce, and some toothpicks. We will take some grated paneer. We'll take some tutti frutti and some chopped nuts. To this we will add some sugar. We will add some cocoa powder. Mix up all the dry ingredients. It smells so good. We'll add a little bit of chocolate sauce. Now we'll mix it up. I will keep it in the fridge for half an hour. This has hardened. We'll make our lollipops. I can play with it, but I won't. I'll eat it. Garnish it with confetti. This is one lollipop I can eat every day.